So this breakout is titled The Case of the Missing Presents. The story or theme: your teacher got each of you a present for the holiday. As she's wrapping the presents, you mistakenly locked the list of who gets what gift in the box. You have 45 minutes to unlock the box, or the students next year will get your gifts. So for the setup instructions, you will place the red viewfinder inside the small 3-digit lock, and you'll set that 3-digit lock to 764. In order to open the 3-digit lock, the students will need a ruler, and they will measure the presents, and they will round them to the nearest centimeter. So this one will measure 6, this one will measure 7, this one will measure 4. The teacher will need to mark the side in a marker so the students will know what side to measure, and that will open the 3-digit lock. The next thing you will do to set up is you will place the movie tickets on the table. And the movie tickets will look like this, and there will be 5 of them. Each of them will have a time and a symbol. The students need to put the tickets in order from earliest to latest. And when they do that and they match the symbols, they will be able to open the directional lock that will be set to right, down, up, left, up, and that will be placed on the large box. The next thing to do is students can use the clocks to unlock the 4-digit clue. And the clocks give the students some scenarios. So scenario 1 says it's 10 o'clock and your teacher wants to give you presents 45 minutes later. Find the correct clock. The second scenario is after you open your presents, you will be hungry. Find the time that is closest to lunchtime. The third one, it's time to get ready to go home. Find the clock that is closest when you get on the bus. And the last one says, oops, you almost forgot to read your book. It's 8 o'clock and in 35 minutes you have to go to bed. Find the clock that shows what time you have to go to bed. So when students put the clocks in the correct order, so there's 10:45, on the back of the clock will be a number. They will use their red viewfinder to figure out that the answer is going to be 7386. The next one will be the word problems. And the word problems will present students with scenarios where they have to show their work on a numbered timeline. So the first scenario says your teacher wraps your presents for 17 minutes and labels each present for 5 minutes. How many total minutes is spent? And the answer would be 22. The second scenario is, oops, your teacher forgot one gift. It takes 20 minutes to drive to Walmart, 5 minutes to buy a gift, and 18 minutes to drive home. The answer is 43. So if you have the number wheels, you can set it to 2243. If you'd rather use the colors, you can set it based on the color key on the bottom, which would be yellow, yellow, green, red. The last one will be blank. So you're going to use 4 of the wheels, and you're going to leave the last wheel, use the blank wheel. The next clue, once students are done with that, is the word search. Now, this can be used with a word bank that I've included, or if your students are comfortable with these words, they don't need to use the word bank on the bottom. They will have 5 words to mark to solve. Next to that word bank should be the flashlight, the black light flashlight as well. And you will notice where the words are bold, those need to be marked. Those need to be boxed in so students can find it on the flashlight. So your student copy will look like this. And those letters that are bold will be boxed in so the kids, when they hover the flashlight over it, will solve the word gifts are key. And they will use this decoder on the bottom to get the word gifts are key. And in the front of the room, you should have holiday boxes, each with a number on it, representing the team number. And that will unlock the key lock, which is the last lock in the puzzle. And that is how to set up the case of the missing presents.